Hello and welcome back to Fill Zone, and welcome to part 2 of part 20 of Learning Piece by Piece, the complete beginner's guide to working in Motion 5. And if you are brand new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you can stay updated when future videos in the series are uploaded. And today we are going to be continuing our look at the audio behavior and how to create this interesting little heartbeat animation. And then we're also going to be looking at how to animate the text and to get the text to move around in time with the beat of a particular track. So let's have a look at how we put this together. Start with the text. So you can see I've got a little text there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Behaviors and we'll find text animation and we'll add the sequence text. Now you've come across this sequence text before, so we're going to add the parameter scale and we'll open that up. We'll set the scale on Y to 150. Okay, then we'll set the sequencing to through inverted and we'll animate it character without spaces. We'll set the spread to 12 and we will set center to ends as the direction, and then we will set it to the speed to accelerate. We're going to have 10 loops and we will set the end condition to ping pong. And that's it. We're fairly okay. We're looking good. So now I will go to scale Y and add parameter behavior audio. And what I will do is set that to our background music. And I will set the smoothness to 3. We'll set it to smooth. Our apply mode to add and subtract. And we'll set the scale, we'll leave the scale at 1. Okay, we're now going to go to the spread in our controls and we're going to add parameter behavior randomize. We'll set the amount to 35, we'll set the frequency to 18 and the noisiness to 1. And then what we've created is this rather nice little bouncy text moving to the beat animation. But it is kind of plain, so we'll just close that group off and then we will right click and add a new group. And we'll do exactly the same as we did before. We're going to add to this group our rectangle. And then we'll go to shape, change it to a gradient. Again, we're going to pick rainbow. I'm not going to spend too much time over this. It's just to show you how it's done. And then just set your gradient as you want it, or your color, whatever you want on there. Set it as you want it. I'm just going to set it just like that. And then right click, add image mask, and then drop the text into the well. And there you have this beautiful little dancing movement to the beat of the text that you've created. It's a very nice little effect. You've got an upbeat intro, and it's something you might want to consider doing. Okay, so now that that's done, let's have a look at how we do the heartbeat animation. This is very simple, and you can see I've brought in from the library the pink heart and I've scaled it to 150 and positioned it where I want to. And then on scale I'm going to add parameter behavior audio. I will set it to my heartbeat, set it to bass, and set the scale to 0.5. And I don't need to change anything else. And now when we play that back, we've got that nice little heart moving in time to the sound of the heartbeat. And it's as simple as that. And to do the line, well, actually not so easy. If you go and just add a straightforward line, you're not going to be able to do it. So we had to think out of the box, but there's another way to create a line, as we know. So I've made a little circle, and what I'm going to do is make particles. So we'll just click on Make Particles, and now we have, as we can see, a particle emitter. But that's not a line. Now you can go to the controls and you can use point or you can use line. I'm going to use line for this demonstration, but you can use either. And we will click Emit at Points, and we'll set the number of points to 1. We'll set the emission angle to 270 degrees and the emission range to 0, and that will mean it will move to the left. And we'll set the birth rate to 500, set the life to 3, we'll set the speed to 150. You can set these values as you wish, and we will go down to scale, and we'll set the scale to 5. And we're done for that, and we can see now that we have the line moving along to the left. But that doesn't give us the peaks that we saw in the intro. So let's go to Properties Y, and we'll add parameter Behavior Audio, and we will then set it to our heartbeat. We're going to leave it at all frequencies and pretty much leave everything. No, we'll change that to smooth, and we'll set the scale to 95, and you can immediately see that it's given us an animation, the red line. And there you have your little heartbeat monitor, and it was as simple as that. And that's it for this video, and I hope that you have a better understanding now of what the audio behavior does and how to apply it. And if you like the video, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget, if you are new here, click that subscribe button and click the bell so you'll stay updated for future videos. Also, please come along and join us in the Facebook group. The link is in the description below, and we'll all be happy to see you there. And that's it, as I said, for this video. All that remains to be said now is see you in the next video.